You ever notice that CrossFitters always talk about CrossFit? 100%, what to eat, how to lift, the straps. I got these Bobby bands and I'm doing stuff and like, look bro, I can power clean my house, you know? I go, why is it they always talk about it? It's because of how hard it is. The thing that you do makes you who you are. Every person who's here right now, you're here because you created yourself through things I've already told you. The hard, the difficult, unseen. Every one of you started not knowing what to do, but now you're dominant in it. If someone challenged you, you puff your chest up and battle back. You're proud of what you did because it's hard. Don't avoid those things.